Moo, moo, where the tall trees grow. Little Ray Raccoon with a secret to show. A tiny red apron, a chef's tall hat. He stirred in a pot, imagine that. His kitchen was hidden behind a big tree filled with jars of honey and wild berries. A pinch of cinnamon, a dash of delight. His secret recipe was almost right. One sunny morning his friends came near, sniffing the air, something smelled clear. Bobby the bunny and Sally the squirrel twirled and danced, their noses in a swirl. Rory, Rory, what could it be? Tell us your secret recipe. Rory just grinned, his eyes twinkled bright. A chef never shares, but you just might. Just might. He tossed in a handful of sunflower seeds, a spoonful of honey, just what he needs. A shake of some nuts and a twist of lime. Stir, 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 it's cooking time. The pot bubbled up, and with a loud pop, a cloud of sweet steam went flip and flop. Out came cookies, golden and round, with a magical scent floating all around. Wow, they're yummy, please give us more, said Freddy the Fox, licking the floor. Rory just chuckled, alright my friends, let's bake together, fun never ends. They mixed and they mashed, they giggled with glee, creating sweet treats for the whole family. At last Rory smiled, his lesson was clear. The best secret recipe is love and cheer. Love and cheer.